Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix BenQ Monitor flickering. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the right side and you'll see the menu button. So the second button from the bottom, then click on the menu, and basically if we scroll down and we will see the system button, as you can see, like that. Make sure to go inside this setting, and if you scroll down until we see, let me go through this, reset all, make sure to choose yes and reset the monitor. This should fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, there's a second solution. Make sure your power cable is all the way in and not loose, because sometimes it can cause flickering. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.